Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today me and my son are doing an experiment. He is going to be doing a color changing volcano, right? Okay, so they said go ahead and don't do that one yet. Pour some of this around it.
Put that in here?
Yep, put that. Pour some of the purple coloring water around the volcano like it's a little island. Don't pour it on top. Slowly. Pour some around the volcano like an island. Like that. Okay. Now go ahead and get some
on there.
Get some of your citric acid with the pipey. It says get some
How much?
Solution and drop it onto the volcano. It erupts with the red lava and changes color. Ooh, there it goes.
Some more?
That's fine. That's it. And you can do it again. Cool. Wait. Drop some more of your citric acid solution onto the volcano and you can keep doing it until the volcano is gone. Look at that volcano. Cool, dude. You're having a chemical reaction happen. And they neutralize each other. You hear that noise going. And it neutralizes and it turns purple. Finally, when the reaction is over, there is still baking soda left over, so it turns blue. Do you see it? Do you see the water? Now it's turning blue. The bubbles you see are evidence of carbon dioxide gas. Each tiny bubble is a pocket full of carbon dioxide. When the bubbles pop, the gas escapes into the air and you can't see it anymore. Isn't that neat? This is our little science experiment. Stay tuned for more. Right, Ethan?
Might do another one in a little bit.
Yep. He says he's a real scientist because scientists have to wear what, babe?
Mask.
Say bye to them.
Bye. We might do another one in a little bit. I don't know. I gotta talk to my mom.